I don't know who people think I am, but they just sent me random stuff. That was a bonus device. He sent me this right here, the 410 Duo. Let's see what's wrong with it. What, bro? iCharger 410 Duo. Well, it doesn't power up and it came apart in my hand. It has some crazy connections right there. I don't like that. Right away, I test this capacitor at random. Boom, it's shorted. So there's something going on over here we gotta fix. Easy. Just looking at this is the input side, and that's where it's broken. It's either this MOSFET or some other MOSFET on the other side. Taking a look at the other side, it's nothing but MOSFETs, so it's one of those. Alright, we got the gigantic heatsink out, and this is the side, and all of these MOSFETs, one of them is going to be burnt. Let's find out which one. And from this side, I'm reading a lot more shorts than I hoped, so now it's time to inject some power and go to the infrared camera. And even at 1 volt, it's picking up some current. Can you guess which MOSFET we need to replace? Yep. Alright, we took it out. Now we need to identify and... Alright, part 2. This is the MOSFET that we removed, and now we need to test. Testing. It's saying it's a resistor. This is a MOSFET, so that means this MOSFET is bad. Let's get a data sheet for this. Alright, here it is. This is the ground source and the drain of this MOSFET. International rectifier. It's a 60 volt, 160 amp limited for the current. So now I have to find something comparable. Wow, and look at that. I found one that's comparable with the same structure. It's an NEMOS. Just like that one is an NEMOS as well. Let's get the data sheet on this one. This one doesn't fit the spec. I found another one here, and this one is pretty good. Alright, so we connected it and we have fan spin. Running at 8 volts. Everything seems to be good. Nice. Let's put it all back together. Okay, here's the device. It's powering on. I don't know what else it should do. Oh, look at that. It does say some stuff. Voltage and all that good stuff. Alright, here it is. It's working. Perfect. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. This thing has a lot of features for LiLo, LiFi, nickel, everything. This thing is pretty cool. Perfect.